This short video by Holmesglen and Building 4.0 CRC explains Industry 4.0 and what it means for modern methods of construction. The Fourth Industrial Revolution, or Industry 4.0, represents a transformation for construction that combines technology with advanced manufacturing and prefabrication. In this new phase, digital technologies like robotics, 3D printing, and artificial intelligence facilitate smarter building processes. Adding these technologies helps to produce more prefabricated building components with high precision, allowing for sustainable, efficient, and rapid assembly on site. To understand Industry 4.0, let's first look back. The first industrial revolution, or Industry 1.0, began in the late 18th century and is characterized by the introduction of steam power and the mechanization of production processes. These changes allowed for large-scale production and transportation of materials like steel, transforming building practices. Industry 2.0 evolved in the late 19th century. Electricity and assembly lines kick-started mass production and more uniform, standardized components in many industries. Industry 3.0 emerged in the late 20th century with automation through computers and robotics. Precision manufacturing, made possible by CNC machines and robotic systems, laid the groundwork for the modular and prefabricated construction methods we see today. Building 4.0 CRC, a leading body for research and innovation in building, and Holmesglen, a leading provider of vocational education and training, are collaborating to put Industry 4.0 concepts into practice. We have projects that are transforming the construction landscape. A great example is CRC Project 12, which explored virtual and augmented reality technologies, aka AR and VR, in educational training, and how immersive learning is transforming how we prepare the construction workers of the future. It looked at how AR/VR can simulate real-world construction environments, allowing trainees to develop practical skills safely and efficiently. Building on Project 12, Lighthouse Project 13 applied augmented and virtual reality technologies to teach carpentry skills. This collaboration between Holmesglen and technology company Fologram allowed students to assemble a complex timber frame where they were guided by augmented reality goggles. Through the goggles, students could see where to locate timber pieces in space and then fix them into position. The AR goggles also allowed the timbers to be cut to length on a drop saw without pre-measuring and marking with a pencil. This project successfully demonstrated how to combine virtual environments with real-world instructions. Many of our projects research materials, like mass timber, which is an increasingly popular material on Australian building sites. Small pieces of timber are compressed and glued to create posts, as well as plates that are used for floors and walls. Mass timber post and plate systems eliminate the need for beams, reduce ceiling heights, and make it easier to install services. These systems also speed up on-site construction and reduce carbon in buildings. Did you know that bathrooms in high-rise buildings are often mass-produced in a volumetric form and transported to the site for faster installation? This research shows how off-site manufactured bathroom pods can lower costs, improve product finishes, and shorten project timelines. Realising these benefits requires collaboration across design, manufacturing, and supply chains. These are just a few of the 70-odd projects undertaken by the Building 4.0 CRC so far. Others include Project 33, which examined the potential for using drones to inspect building work in hard-to-access locations. Project 29 is investigating how emerging technologies such as computer vision and mood detection can improve environmental health and safety in real time. Lighthouse Project 28 looked at how live computer vision could improve construction productivity and other efficiencies on infrastructure builds and earthworks. As a future construction industry professional, you will be part of the industry transformation that builds upon traditional knowledge and skills and sees those approaches to construction enhanced by new and emerging 4.0 technologies. This evolution will help to ensure that building construction is safer, more productive, and uses materials more efficiently. A Building 4.0 world of work will create new kinds of careers in construction with new skills and opportunities that will benefit both the workforce and the end users of buildings in our society. To find out more, visit www.building4.0.org and Holmesglen today.